boys and girls, how are you all? I'm missing you all so much. I hope you're doing okay, and I hope you're still doing all your arts and crafts. If you're watching this, you must have got your Arty Marty mega art and craft box. So exciting, isn't it? There's lots of goodies in there. So there's a few things that I probably would need to go through with you so that you can do all the crafts in the box. But like as always, if you want to do your own thing, that's perfectly okay. But I'm just going to show you how to make a few of the things that I've planned for you in your box, which looks like this. Okay, so in the box you have tons and tons and tons of really fun and cool stuff. Some of it is kind of just for a bit of fun, so you have your little lucky bag there. And this is the girls' one that I'm going to start with. And one of the things that you have is this little heart-shaped bag. And this is really easy because all you're going to do with that is decorate it. And I have one done here. And I've just, inside the bag, there will be little shapes that you can stick on. Little love heart shapes, and you can stick on using your double-sided stickers, and you can decorate that whatever way you want. And you don't have to do it my way, but you can cut up shapes and just glue them onto that. Or if you have permanent markers, we know that we can colour in that with permanent markers as well. And the next thing then you'll have is you'll have a crown, and that's it there. But I've just kind of done something similar to the bag so that they match, and that's easy peasy. The next thing then we might be able to do is very easy, is to do the card. And I have made little animals. Some of you might have a mouse, some of you might have a little pig, and some of you might have a frog. And what I did with those was I made like cute little cards. Okay, so what I did was I just cut some of the paper that you have in there for a background, and then just stuck the frog on. So that's the frog, and I've given the mouse a little mouse hole there behind him. But you can decorate those whatever way you like, and again just using your double-sided stickers or your glue stick, which is in your pack as well. Easy peasy. So that's another thing you can do. And then we have in here, we have the owl kit. Okay, now I know some of you might have done these before, but I'm just going to show you again how to do this. Okay, so empty out your little bag that you have for your owl, and I'm just going to tip this down a little bit so you can see. And inside the bag you have lots of little bits and pieces. So you're going to have 3 strips of this corrugated card, okay, 2 short and 1 long. And what you're going to do with that is take the long piece first, and you're going to start rolling it. So start in the middle really tight and roll that into a spiral. And it's a little bit tricky to get this right. You kind of have to practice, but Mommy and Daddy's will be able to help you. So just roll it up all the way, nice and tightly. And there's lots of different ways of doing this, so just take your time and keep the bumpy bit outside. Okay, so once you've got it rolled up, you're going to get one of your stickers, your double-sided stickers, peel it off, stick it on the back there, and then peel the paper off, and then stick it down really well. Okay, so now you have, this is the belly of the owl. Okay, then you have these. This little piece here looks like a heart shape. This is going to be for the feet of your owl. Okay, so we're going to get another sticker. Maybe use 2 for this. One there, and one on the other side, and then peel off the paper again and stick that onto the feet like that. And if you want to make the feet smaller, you can. It's up to you. Sometimes it's better to have them bigger so that your owl doesn't fall over. Then you're going to get the 2 smaller, shorter strips, and you're going to do exactly the same thing. Just roll it up as tight as you can. Get your sticker, place it down there, and then stick that on like that again. So you have one eyeball, and do the same to the other strip. Roll it up all the way, nice and tight. And again, going to use our sticker again. These are great, our stickers. So we love our double-sided stickers, don't we, guys? And then stick that down. So now I have 2 eyes. Now these I'm going to put up here. So I need to get my stickers again and put it on the bottom of each of the eyes. There's 2 on that one. And then peel off the top paper. Stick one eye on there. Get your other one. Peel off the paper and stick that there, like that. So now we have our belly and our eyes done. And then we're going to get our wings. And they might be stuck together, guys, so just separate them. Again, you're going to put the lumpy part to the outside of the bird, of the owl. Get our sticker, put one on the top there. And this will help our owl stay balanced as well. So I'm going to put one wing there. And I'll do the same on the other side. Stick that on the other side. And guys, if you want to colour this in with your pencils or your crayons, you can. Then I have my little googly eyes, and I might need to cut my stickies a little bit smaller. It might be too big for the eyes. And again, I'm going to do the same thing, just stick one there. Peel off the paper and stick that in the middle there. And we do the same to the other one. I love these owls, they're so much fun to make. It's so easy. And if you wanted to make, you can actually do this different. If you wanted to make this, change this into a little bunny rabbit or pussycat or whatever, just leave off the wings and put little ears on and use your imagination. Maybe you might be able to make another creature. Just need his beak and his eyebrows. So we'll stick that on as well. Again, using our sticker. And stick his beak just under his eyes like that. And the last thing then is we'll do his eyebrows. Now guys, I've deliberately given you more stickers than you need for the owl so that you can use them in other projects. So always keep all your materials together, and you have a nice little box to keep everything in, because it's kind of hard to get materials like this, especially when everything is closed. So again, I'm just going to peel off the paper there and stick one eyebrow up here and the same on the other side, like so. Okay, so there's my little owl. Isn't he cute? Really easy. So that's done as well. So keep all your little stickers, and let's see what else is in our box. So we have our modeling clay. This is really fun because this is like Play-Doh, but it dries and then you can paint it. So you can make all kinds of things. So you can open that and, you know, make little creatures. There's a little unicorn on this one. I think there's a dragon on the boy, or a dinosaur on the boys' ones. So just make little creatures and then leave them to dry overnight, and then you can paint them the next day. You also have pipe cleaners and paper for doing pictures. You've got foil. You can actually make spaceship with the foil. And again, that's really easy. So I'll show you real quickly how to do that. So you open up your foil, cut it in, I'd say cut it in about half. And you're going to make a cone shape. So you can use sellotape, or you can use, I've given you double-sided sticky tape in here as well. So you can make a cone shape, and then you draw your windows on. Okay, so you draw your windows on using a marker, or if you don't have a marker, just stick on black circles or any color circles onto the body of the spaceship. And then how you're going to do the point is you're going to cut a half circle, okay? And if you want to use a plate or something like that to help you with that, you can. So here's a half circle, and then you're just going to bring it around like that. And again, you're going to stick it. I've probably done that a little bit because I'm not using a plate and I've done it too big. So you're going to stick it there like that, and that gives you the little cone shape, a little double-sided sticker, and then put that on top of your spaceship. Alright, and then to do these little things, all you need to do then is cut out a triangle and put a cut in it, a slit in it, and then put a slit in the foil shape here, and then just slot them into each other. Alright, like that, and do that 3 times all around the edge, all around the sides, and then you have a spaceship. Another thing that's in the boys' bag or box is our shield. Okay, so you would have got one of these plain, but I've decorated mine with lots of shapes, and you would have got some extra foil and stuff that you can cut out shapes and stick them on again with your double-sided stickers, and it has a little handle on the back, and that could be your shield. And you can decorate your sword as well using cut-up shapes. You can decorate that whatever way you want, and again, if you have permanent markers, you can use that on this as well. And I've also done a mask. This is you will have a mask, a plain mask. Again, you can decorate it whatever way you want to. And there's mine. And you could become a superhero. What else have we got in our bag? We have lots of fabric and foil shapes and glitter fabric and felt and wool. Maybe this could be hair for some kind of creature. And what I would really love to see is what you do with that, if you can use your imagination. And you know how I love to see what you create and what you make up in your own head. So I've put pieces in there that you can use your own imagination, and I would love to see some pictures. I haven't seen some pictures of your work in so long. So if you do things like that, please send in some photographs to me, or get Mummy and Daddy to do that for me. What else have we got? I think we've done everything there. And you will have crayons, or you will have or loom bands. We'll have those as well. And there's lots of little bits of paper and foil and all kinds of goodies. So make sure this, oh yeah, and that's this little thing as well. So I'd be interested to see what you could do with that. I hope you have lots of fun. And please, 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 please send me some pictures. I'm looking forward to seeing them. Thanks very much for joining us, and thanks for being so great. I've heard some wonderful stories about you all, and you all have been fantastic, and I know it's been hard. Take care, guys. See ya. Bye.